Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to another interesting video of FxYogi. In today's video, let's answer the question, what if current Bitcoin blocks are all mined? What next? Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of Bitcoin, has put a stipulation of 21 million Bitcoins, making it a finite supply. There are two parts when all the Bitcoins are mined. First, the supply gets over. Second, the Bitcoin community decides to update the underlying algorithm so as to have more Bitcoins. In case the finite supply reaches, Bitcoin miners will not have any rewards for mining anymore. However, their source of earnings will depend solely on the transaction fees, which may be insufficient compared with present times. With technological changes, one may expect that the mining hardware will become increasingly smaller in size and lesser in costs. At the same time, an increase in the transaction fees may even out this loss of mining rewards. The miners process transactions prioritized by the transaction fees. Higher the fees, more likely the miner processes the transaction. Having said that, the higher transaction fees are expected to keep the network active and running. Considering the principle of demand and supply, when Bitcoin supply will be over, it may result in an increase in its value. The creator of Bitcoin saved about 1 million Bitcoins in its inception. Not to forget, many miners are having their own big share of Bitcoins along with investors. Blockchain.com has a graph depicting the Bitcoins mined from the very inception till today. Approximately 81% of Bitcoins are mined by July 2018. This means there are about 4 million more Bitcoins yet to be mined. Based on the halves rewards and increasing difficulty, last Bitcoin is expected to be mined in 2140 AD. About 20% of Bitcoins got lost forever simply because the miners did not expect it to reach such a high price. Blockchain.com has various graphs related to mining information. These graphs display hash rate distribution, difficulty, mining reserve, total transaction fees, and cost per transaction. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.